Hello guys, welcome back to DGA Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get 500 Dogecoin from this free Dogecoin mining site I'm going to be showing you in this video. So watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any updates I'm going to be dropping. Before we get started, I'll be giving out 7 premium courses worth over 30,000 naira to my subscribers. If you're my subscriber or you've not subscribed yet, this is an opportunity for you to do that now in order to qualify for this giveaway. To qualify for this giveaway, come down right here and click on the red or white subscribe button. Click on it to subscribe. Click on the bell icon and select all in order to get notified by YouTube whenever I drop another update in this channel. Now click on the like button and come to the comment section and type how to get free 500 Dogecoin, all tasks done. Once you do this, I'm going to send the 7 premium courses to you for free. Now the last thing to do is to share this video to your friends on all social media platforms in order to get them informed as well. I have placed the link of this website in the description of this video. Once you click on that link, it will bring you right here. All you have to do is to scroll down, then click on register. All you have to do here now is to enter your email address, username, password, confirm your password, then click on I agree. Then you click on the picture that is upside down in this chart here. Once you click on that picture, then you click on register. Alright, our account has been created successfully. So you can go to your email address now and confirm your address. So after confirming your email address, your account is going to be approved and activated for free. So to earn, click on this 3/ on the left hand corner of your screen. You will see that there are many ways in which you can make money from this site. Well, we're going to be talking few of it. So the first one is faucet. You click on faucet. Alright, what we'll be doing here right now is to claim 50 coin from this faucet. All you have to do is to scroll down and click on claim. Alright, now click on collect your reward. All you have to do now is to solve this antibot link. The first number here is 4, you click on 4. The second number here is 6, you click on 6. Then the third number here is 9, you scroll down, then click on 9. So now you select the image that is upside down in this chart. So this is the image, you click on it, then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you click on claim. As you can see right now, 50 coin has been added to our balance. So to claim 50 coin again from this faucet, you have to come back after 5 minutes because you can claim every 5 minutes from this free faucet. Now the next one, let's use the PTC. You scroll down, you click on PTC. As you can see right here, they have 18 available ads in which you can perform and get some coins for here. And the total coin you're going to be getting for performing these 18 tasks is going to be 360 coin. So if you scroll down, you will see this site is willing to give you 20 coin for staying on their site for just 10 seconds. So let's click on it and perform the task. You click on view. Alright, all you have to do now is to wait for this timer to count down to 0. So now you confirm this captcha here. You click on the image that is upside down. So once you click on it, you scroll down, then click on verify. As you can see right now, 20 coin has been added to our wallet. So you can still perform another task here. This one now is going to give you 20 coin for staying on their site for just 10 seconds. The other one will give you 20 coin for staying for 10 seconds. Same as this, and this. So if you're able to perform all these tasks, you're going to accumulate this 360 coin that is here. We've claimed 20 coin already. So let us look at another one which is called short links. This short links has about 59 links available that is going to pay you some coins. If you perform these 59 links completely, you'll be given 6,704 coin for performing all of it. So the first one here is willing to give you 125.1 coin for visiting their site. Once you click on visit link, it will take you to their site and you wait for 125 seconds. So after that, you're going to verify the captcha by clicking on the image that is upside down. After doing that, you'll be given the coin and it will be added to your account. So this is a few ways in which you can earn from this site. You can also earn with mining, gaming, and achievements. So to withdraw, you click on this 3 slash, then click on withdraw. All you have to do now is to click on select method. You can select faucet pay for fast payment. When you select the currency you want to use to receive it, you can receive it in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Cash, Ethereum, Dogecoin. So whichever one you choose, you can just click on it. Let's choose Dogecoin. So the minimum withdrawal amount of coin here is 1000 coins. So if you are able to gather 1000 coin on this site, you can withdraw into your faucet pay account. So all you have to do now is to enter the amount of coin you want to withdraw here. Then you enter your faucet pay email address. Then you click on withdraw. So this is how you can be able to mine free Dogecoin from this site without paying a dime, and you're going to be sending it directly into your faucet pay account. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click the bell icon and select all in order to get notified whenever we drop another update in this channel. See you on our next video. Stay safe and God bless.